All that scratching is making me itch.
What's up, Calvary? It's your girl Naisha Nicole, and I'm back again today with another video. Today I am going to be testing out 3 colors from a brand called Joah. They sent me some lipsticks to try out for them, so I'm gonna try them out and I'm gonna let you know exactly how I feel about them. This is the first time I've ever actually heard of the brand. They do sell them at CVS, but I do gotta let you know I got them for free. So I don't know how much they cost, but if it's at CVS, I shop at CVS regularly, and I'm sure that they are probably affordable. Let's go ahead and start testing these out. I didn't put on a whole lot of makeup because I wanted to keep a pretty fresh face to be able to test these out for you guys. They sent them to me in this little package, and that is so cute. So cute. Pop this open. I don't even know what 3 colors it is. I just know that it's three colors in this box. Alright, so opens like that. I don't think this is how it's packaged in the store though, so. Alright, so these are the 3 colors that they sent. The colors are Soul Sister or Soul Sister, spelled Seoul like the country, or Soul. I don't know how to pronounce that. I live in North Carolina. Swipe Right. Been there, done that. And Adulting. So I'm going to be trying these 3 colors out. Now these are all infused with argan oil. I can't open it. They are infused with argan oil, so they're supposed to be very buttery and lightweight. And they're supposed to keep your lips moisturized for all day. This one is Soul Sister, and this is the color. It's kind of like a coral pink color. It does look like it's got some shimmer shine to it, stamped with the letter J. And this brand is actually a subset of the Kiss brand, the brand that makes like adhesives. And I know back in the day they used to make the press on nails, but this is the same company makes Joah makes Kiss. Kiss makes Joah, right? However you say it. But let's see what Soul Sister looks like. So it is very light, very buttery. Now, it doesn't have like a very thick pigment to it. Like, I can tell I have on lipstick, but it's not an overwhelming color. So I probably won't wear this color too often. Maybe if I had on some lip liner, or I love to mix my lipsticks and ombre my lipstick, so I might will wear this as an ombre. It is pretty thick, so I don't know how long it's gonna last. Let's test out the transfer. So it does transfer a little bit, but I don't know. I like the way it feels though. Like, I like the I feel like it's like chapstick. Like I put on some chapstick. I like matte colors as well. It does look a little matte, but with a little shimmer to it. It's like a matte shimmer. So I like this. I like this Soul Sister. I don't know if I wear it just plain, just throw it on and go. I would probably mix this with something else. The next color I'm going to try out is going to be Adulting, which is this nice, pretty red color. I love a red lip. Between nudes and reds, like, I love a red lip, y'all. Let's see what this one is given. Again, it's stamped with that little J. I like their packaging. Like, this looks very, it looks very high class, but I'm gonna check and see how much these cost, especially if I like this red lip. This is gonna be the determining factor. If I like this red lip, because I am a Fenty girl, I love my Fenty. So if I like this red lip, Joah, you might be onto something. Let's see. Okay, I do like it. I do like the way it feels. However, I can tell that it's a little spotty. Again, it's not the most pigmented lipstick that I have in my collection. And I feel like this is going to go away very fast. I feel like it's not going to last long. But I do like the actual color. It's not like super bright. But it's not like grandma-ish either. Again, I probably wouldn't wear it by itself. I would probably wear a lip liner or something to ombre it out. Let's test the transfer. So it does transfer. Yeah. I don't know. Again, I like the color. It's not as matte as I like my lipstick to be. It's definitely not as pigmented as a stain or something like that. But, you know, I'm pretty sure for the cost factor, it works. All right, so Calvary, the last color that we're going to try today is going to be Swipe Right. And this is a kind of like a nude color. So yet again, one of my favorites is a nude and a red. So they did good with what they sent me. I'll give them that much. Let's see what this one is given. Okay, so again with the J. This one doesn't seem to have as much shimmer to it as the first one does. And let's try it. I don't really necessarily like this for my skin tone. Maybe if I had on a lip liner. I just feel like it's very translucent. Like, I can't really tell I have on anything. Like, it's kind of basic. And maybe that's what they were going for. I don't feel like I have anything on with this color. Maybe I do like it. Since it's got argan oil in it and it's so light, I might will use this color as a chapstick more than a lipstick. Like, and let's test the transfer. So this one, maybe it's my skin tone though, because I really can't see this lipstick on you guys. Even with the light on, like even with the light off. I don't know, I can't tell the difference, but kind of like a neutral. It's not that I don't like it, I just can't see it, so therefore I like it. That makes sense? I don't know, but those were the 3 colors from Joah. And thank you, Joah, so much for sending me these lippies. I would recommend them, especially if you're not someone who wears like heavy makeup, because I feel like these will get lost. Especially if I put on a bold eye, this lip will completely get lost. But if you're not a heavy makeup wearer, I feel like these will be perfect for you because they're not going to get lost in everything. It is very light, very hydrating to the lips. Your lips definitely are not going to dry out. So yes, perfect for someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup. Definitely something that you can wear every day, and it's not going to, you know, overpower your look or make you look too made up, if that's a word. I don't know. But I do like them. So thank you, Joah. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. If you made it this far, you have not to subscribe, then I don't know what's wrong with you, because you already know you want to be a part of the Calvary. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you click the bell as well so that you don't miss the next video that I upload. Until next time, y'all, it's time to queen.
All that scratching is making me